Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make distance measurement system and see the results on our Android phones via Bluetooth. So, if you have not subscribed the channel, let's subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Like the video and share the video. So now let's move to our practicals. So friends, now we will learn how to make the project. First, we will see the components. We will need a Arduino board. I am using Arduino Nano. You can use any other board. Then we will need a Bluetooth module HC05. I am using HC05. You can also use HC06. Then we will need a mini breadboard. Then next component is a ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. And we will need 9 jumper wires. Any color jumper wires are okay. Just we will need 2 red and 2 black wires, and 5 wires can be of your own choice. So now let us see how to make the project. First take the breadboard, then take ultrasonic sensor and attach the ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard. So now there are 4 pins in ultrasonic sensor: ground, echo, trig and VCC. VCC, we will connect a red wire to VCC. I have taken a red wire, connected to the VCC. Then it's the trig pin. We can use any color wire for trig pin. Okay, so you connect it to the trig pin. Then echo, any color wire. Echo and trig, they are digital pins. And VCC and GND, they are power pins. VCC and GND, they are present in all the sensors, almost all the sensors, digital sensors. And GND, we will connect a black wire. So our connections with ultrasonic sensor are done. First we will connect all the wires to the sensors, and then we will connect them to Arduino board. Now we will connect the Bluetooth module. There are 6 pins in Bluetooth module. They are EN means enable, then VCC, GND, TX and RX means transmitter and receiver, and state pin we will not be using because there is no function in this project of state pin. So for enable pin, it is a digital pin, it sends digital signals, so we will connect the any color wire to it. Then VCC, we will connect a red wire because it is a power pin. GND is also a power pin. We will connect black wire to GND. See, I am connecting it. Then TX means transmitter. So see, as you can see the pins, TX means transmitter. It is we will connect any color wire of your own choice. You can connect it. Yes. And the last pin is RX means receiver. So connect it with any color pin. First we will do the connections with Bluetooth module. First pin is enable pin. So enable pin is a digital pin. We will be connecting it to D4. Next pin is VCC. VCC we will connect to 5 volt or L1. I am connecting it to 5 volt. Next pin is GND. GND we will be connecting to GND only, ground only. Then our next pin is TX. TX we will connect to RX of Arduino board, and RX of Bluetooth sensor or Bluetooth module we will connect to TX of Arduino board. Now our connections with Bluetooth module and Arduino are done. Now we will connect the ultrasonic sensor. The GND pin of ultrasonic sensor, we will be connecting it to the GND of our Arduino board. There are 2 GND pins on one Arduino board. Then our trig pin, we will be connecting this trig pin to D2. It is also a digital pin. And echo pin, we will connect it to D3. Last pin is VCC. We will connect it to L1 because there is only one 5 volt pin on the Arduino board, so we connect it to L1. Our connections are done now. Now we will test our project. The code for the project is given in the description. You can click on the link and you will get the code. Connections are also written in the code itself, so you can get all the connections. So now let's move towards our testing. For testing our system, we will need some more devices. First of all, we will need an Android phone. We will need a power bank. we will need a USB cable which is used for attaching Arduino boards. This is a different USB cable. It is having a big connector. And we will need an obstacle. I am taking this big breadboard as obstacle. You can take anything. You can take a box or anything you can take. So now let's test it. For testing you will need a application on your phone. The name of our application is Serial Monitor, Talking Serial Monitor.apk. So it is a very small app. It is only of 400 KB. The link is given in the description. You can download it from Google Play Store. So how to operate it now? First of all, you have to open the Serial Monitor app. You have to give power to your system on the same time. Okay, there is a assistant also with you who tells you the record of your system. So now I have connected my system to my Android phone, or I have powered it. So to connect it with your Android phone, you have to on your device Bluetooth. So my Bluetooth is already on. So after that you have to click on this device. So my device is not paired now. So first I have to go in this Bluetooth. Then I have to go in more settings. Here one rarely used device is coming. So HC05. Okay, sometimes it can be a IP address also. You have to click on it. Pairing. So usually for HC05 or HC06, the pin or this is 000 or 123. My pin is 123. First you can try with 000. If it will not work, then try 1234. Okay, now my device is paired. See, as you can see, it is coming in the pair list. So I have to open my application. I have to click here HC05. It is showing connecting. So see, now the distance is 40 centimeter. See, I am keeping an obstacle. It is showing 24 centimeter. You can pause. The assistant will tell you the count also. See, now it is showing 24. If I will remove the what distance will change.
Distance.
And see,
distance
now
equals 23 cm.
So the assistant will tell you what is distance. If we will remove this, then the distance will change.
Distance.
We have again added the obstacle to it. Now it is showing 31. So
distance equals 33 cm.
it is a very good app. There is a paid version also, but if you will take the free version, then also your system will work very properly. If you want to disconnect your device, you have to click over here and your connection is terminated. It has got disconnect. Again, if you have to connect again, but make sure that your device is paired using Bluetooth. If it is not paired, then it will not come in this list. You have to go in the more settings and you have to pair it. So see, this is our system. And for any question you can write it in comment. And also I will be providing a Gmail address. You can ask for any questions or any requirement of parts. If you are not getting it, I will provide it to you. Thank you.